We're now on the giant observation tower that they have here at Terra Mitica. Some absolutely stunning views. I really like the building with a bit of a hole in there. I'm not sure what that building actually is. But, it's an impressive building. Yeah. Looks like an evil villain's lair, as Robin said earlier on. You can see there's a bit of an amphitheatre down there, which they've got some shows going on down there. Though it looks drained, but I think it's like water that normally down there. You see there's a little pirate ship as well that obviously gets pulled around in for the show.
Tam jest drifting z kolei robią. O, tu jeździliśmy.
So you can see airplanes down there.
Or the carousel, where that carousel is,
See those little boats down there? Not been on them yet? Get on them. That's where you get the impression that it's really not busy. Look at those car parks, all those different rows of car parks, and there's only that one there that's got any cars that's parked on it. And there's the coach part, it's only got one coach parked on it at all. So it shows it really is not busy set today at all. Yeah, there's the log flumes going around with nobody on the boats.
There's one on the back that's going out, the one that's still going over there, there's some gears around it.
You see there's a bit of a golf course over there as well. People like playing golf. It's a fantastic view over towards Benidorm and the beach over that way. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, there's a big limo, isn't there? Yes, it's a big golf course. 18 holes, I think. Just a little joke there, never mind. You can really get to view a scope of the theming that's down there. Absolutely beautiful. Eden's having a good time there, right? Robin's having a good time, red hot. And Gasper's having a good time there. There he is. Everyone's happy. We're coming down now. There we are. It's a fair old height there. It's about 300 feet, 350 feet I think it is. I've just guessed that, I've absolutely no idea. But it was high. And down we come. That's the observation tower at Terra Mitica.